In a world where machines are mastering the art of creativity, we invite you to embark on a journey to explore the power of generative AI. Discover how artificial intelligence can generate unique creative content, from text to images and even music. Imagine being able to design stunning graphics with minimal effort. That's where Canva comes in. This intuitive tool lets you create professional designs without the need for a graphic design degree. Unleash your creativity and let AI do the heavy lifting. Dive into the world of generative AI and Canva. Learn how to harness these technologies to create unique content that stands out from the crowd. Whether you're a seasoned designer looking to streamline your process, or a beginner eager to make your mark, this course has something for you. Join us as we explore the future of creativity. It's time to reimagine what's possible. This is more than just a course. It's your ticket to a world of endless creative possibilities. So, are you ready to step into the future of creativity? Voiceover ends. Watermark text. Shepherd end of video.